Hello friends, today I am going to unbox TVS Champ keyboard. I have purchased it from the local market. It is very nice, very sleek and very stylish. It is manufactured by TVS Electronics and it is USB compliant. It is packed in cardboard box and it is very stylish. The brand is TVS Champ and it is USB compliant and it has got many features. It is very soft and reliable. The main features are it has got 104 keys. It has got a high quality membrane key switch life cycle is 10 million life cycle. It has got USB interface. The system requirements are IBM PC or compatible systems and available USB port. There are other details and now I am going to open it. I have taken out my knife and now I am cutting it through, and here it is almost done and it is sealed from all sides as a sign of its authenticity. And now I am going to open it, and here it is almost done. And this is the keyboard. This is the TVS Champ keyboard. It is very soft and reliable. It is black in color and the keyboard is also packed in thin polythene. And here I am going to take it out. Here I have taken it out. The keyboard is black in color. The TVS Champ keyboard is of standard size and it comes with all the standard alphanumeric keys, and these are the keys. This is the control key, shift key, the caps lock, tab, and this is the escape key, F1, F2. It comes with all the standard alphanumeric keys such as English letters, alphabets, numerals and navigation buttons. The keys are affixed in a compact frame. The keys are laser etched that don't fade even after years of use. The keys are also noise free so that you can work continuously without any disturbance. The keyboard is black in color, and here these are the keys and I am pressing it. It is very soft, and this is the enter key. Very nice, very good. And these are the keys. These are different keys. The TVS Champ keyboard looks aesthetic. It has a membrane tactile key switches. The keystroke life cycle is 10 million life cycle. It comes with USB interface, so just plug in and play and it is ready. And here this is the back side. On the back side you can increase the height, and here I am increasing the height. You can increase the height so that you can type comfortably, and here this is the thing. You can increase or decrease the height as required by you. It is pocket friendly. Pricing makes your money worth. It is manufactured by TVS Electronics. The ARM code wired keyboard provides a convenient solution for everyday home or office computing use. The keyboard full layout allows for efficient, comfortable typing, and it is excellent for everyday uses on virtually any task at hand. And it is very good. And here I have increased the legs, and this is the USB. You have just to plug in and play. And here I have plugged it in my computer. Almost done. And here these are different switches. Num lock, this is the caps lock, and you can see the lights are glowing when I have pressed the switch, and the lights are glowing brilliantly. The num lock, the caps lock, and here I am typing my computer and it is almost done. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.